Are you climbing the income ladder but feel like every step up takes you 2 steps back in your savings? If yes, you are not alone. Hi there, I am Simon and I enjoy sharing what I have learned to help you improve your finances. If you know how money works, you have a much better shot at building wealth. So let's dive into the first mistake. Mistake number 1. The first major mistake high income earners make is ignoring a budget. You might think that with a hefty salary, budgeting isn't necessary. But without tracking where your money goes, you're essentially flying blind in your financial life. Pause for a moment and think about the last big purchase you made. Did you plan for it, or did it come out of a whim and perhaps a bit of ego? Acknowledging this can be the first step towards financial mindfulness. Mistake number 2. Next up is neglecting emergency savings. It's the safety net that stands between you and potential financial disaster. The truth is, everyone needs an emergency fund, no matter how much money they make. Yet, it's astonishing how many overlook this principle for the sake of immediate gratification. Imagine losing your main source of income tomorrow. How long could you really sustain your current lifestyle? If this thought makes you uneasy, it might be time to start padding that emergency fund. So pay yourself first, at least 10 to 50% of your income every month. Number 3. Mistake number 3 is underestimating the power of investing. High income doesn't mean wealth. Without investing, you are missing out on opportunities to grow your wealth exponentially. Think about it. If money is constantly flowing out with none working for you, you're on a financial treadmill. Where could you be redirecting some of that income for longer-term benefits? Number 4. Another big mistake is neglecting insurance. Whether it's health, life or disability insurance, not having adequate coverage can derail even the most well thought out financial plan. How protected are you against life's unexpected moments? Insurance is not just another expense, it's a crucial part of a comprehensive financial plan. Number 5. High-income earners often fall into the trap of lifestyle creep. This is when your standard of living starts to outpace your income growth because you're indulging in a more expensive lifestyle. Living beyond your means is an easy trap to fall into. When you're making good money, it's tempting to upgrade your lifestyle, whether it's buying a bigger house, a nicer car, or dining out at a fancy restaurant. But if you're spending more than you're earning, you'll never get ahead financially. So reflect on your lifestyle enhancements over the years. Are they proportional to your income growth, or have they overtaken your financial progress? Number 6. Not saving for retirement early enough. Compounding interest is the 8th wonder in the world. The later you start, the less you benefit. Do you see your future self thanking you for your financial decisions today, or wishing you had made different choices? There's still time to change the ending of that story. Number 7. Failing to plan for taxes is another pitfall. Not understanding how different types of income are taxed can eat away at your earnings faster than you can imagine. High income earners often pay more in taxes than they need to because they are not taking advantage of all the tax saving strategies available to them. How much do you really know about tax planning and strategies that could legally minimize your tax liability? Might be worth a consultation with a professional. Number 8. Finally, ignoring debt is a crucial mistake. High income doesn't mean debt can be overlooked. It's the interest that slowly drains your financial vigor. Whether it's student loans, credit cards or mortgages, how actively are you working towards becoming debt-free? Remember, every dollar towards your debt is a step toward financial freedom. Navigating financial success goes beyond just earning a high income. It's about managing what you earn smartly and strategically. Don't fall prey to these common pitfalls. Take control, educate yourself, and perhaps seek advice from financial experts to tailor a plan that suits you. Thank you for watching, and until next time.